I am combining my favorite piece of equipment with my favorite style training, and I'm bringing you my kettlebell full body workout. Hi, this is Aneta Hunter, owner of PunchFit. The workout is 10 minutes long. The goal is to build some muscle, get shredded, and burn some fat. We are doing kettlebell complex, where we're going to do 6 exercises. Each exercise is 5 reps on each side, one after the other ones, and we're going to switch and repeat it 5 reps on each side. And you're gonna work straight for 10 minutes. Try to get as many sets as possible. If any of these movements are new to you, reach out to a certified trainer that can pick the correct weights and coach your form. Or better yet, contact me. Make sure you warm up before and stretch after. Now, let me take you through this workout. Let's get it done. Alright guys, get ready. We're starting in 10 seconds. We're starting with the first alternating kettlebell swing. So start with your one hand and then we'll go into switching side to side. 2, 1, and go. We're doing 5 reps on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you guys are breathing. Exhale. 8, 9, and then the last one, catch. We'll do kettlebell, Romanian deadlift. Follow up with, so you're going down. Romanian deadlift, transitions and pressing forward. That is 1 rep. We're shooting for 5. Down. That's 2. Beautiful. Stick your butt out. Transit, press forward. 3. That's it. Breathe. 4. I'm going slower pace right now. Next one. Adjust your feet. We'll do dead clean. So start from the ground. Go all the way up to your shoulder. 1. We're doing 5 reps, starting with the right side. 2, 3, good. 4, and 1 more. 5. Adjust your feet. Next movement will be push press. So you're dipping and pressing over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 more, and then 5. Hold it. From here, we'll do lunges forward and then reverse. Start with your right leg. 1, and then reverse. Good. 2, beautiful. That's it. 3. Just remember, this is a 10 minutes long workout. Good. We got 1 more rep. And then 5. That's it. Then from here, put it down on the ground. And then we'll do 5 push-ups. So down, push up, get up, down, switch side, get up, 2, 3, good, 4, that's it, 1 more, and then 5. All right, beautiful, so we got down 1 round. So from here, we're starting over with alternating kettlebell swings, but this time we'll switch side, left side. All right, get ready. 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, so it's still 5 reps on each side. 6, and exhale. Breathe out. 9, and 10. Catch, adjust your feet. Then next one, Romanian deadlift. And transition, pressing forward, down. All right, we can a little bit speed it up. 3, beautiful. Oh yes. 4, we got 1 more, and then 5. Good, now from here, adjust your feet. Left hands, dead clean. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, and then 5. Adjust your feet. 5, push press and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. And 5. Hold it. Lunges forward. Come back and then reverse. There we go. That looks good. Stay with me. 3, That's it. 4. Use the right weight that's going to work for you. And then 5, down. Kettlebells go down. And then 5 push-ups, down. 1, 2. You can always modify those push-ups. If not, challenge yourself. We'll get 1 more. That's it. We get 5. All right, starting over. Alternating kettlebell swings and go. All right. If you guys feel, you can always speed it up. Go a little bit faster if you feel. And catch. Adjust your feet. We almost halfway there. Down, up, press. Down, up, and press. Good. 3. Got 2 more. 4. And then 1 more. 5. Good. Adjust your feet. Down. Clean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. 1 more. 5. Adjust your feet. Push press. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And then 5. Hold it back. Lunges forward. 1. That's it. 2. Hold the balance. Keep your core nice and tight. 3, 4. We got 1 more rep. That's it. And then 5. Beautiful. Put it down. Let's go back to your push-ups. 5 good push-ups. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 4. And then 5. Nice. Switch side. So that will be our 4th round. Get ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Catch. Go down. Romanian deadlift. Transitions. Pressing forward. Down. Transitions. Press forward. So we got 3. That's it. 4. You got 1 more rep. And then 5. Bring it down. And then we switching side. Get ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Adjust your feet. Push press. We got 3 more minutes. Stay with me. 3, 4, and 5. Lunges forward and then reverse. That's 1. Try to go all the way down. Hold the balance. 2, 3. That's it. Looks good. Looks good. 4. 1 more. Then 5. All right, beautiful. And put it down. Let's do some push-ups again. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 more. We're getting ready for our 5th round. Starting with kettlebell swings, we got 2 more minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Catch and down. Romanian deadlift. Pressing forward. Good. 2. We're getting close. Stay strong. 3. We got 2 more reps. Yes. 4. And then 1 more. Then 5. Bring it down. We're starting on the right side. Go. 1, 2. Make sure you're not lifting with your back. So squatting down. 3, 4. Then 5. Adjust your feet. Push press. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, hold it up, lunges forward. Guys, we got 1 more minute and 7 more seconds. 2, come on, we still have to do second side. 3, 4, we got 1 more. Last one, 5, beautiful. Down, push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. Go back to your kettlebell swings. We got 32 seconds. Catch, and then deadlift. 1, press. 2, come on guys, we got 10 more seconds. Getting ready, almost done, almost there. 2, 1, and time. Woo! Awesome job, guys. Thank you. Whew. If you guys like that workout, please leave your comment below. Like this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel also. Until next time, get fit, get strong, and get tough.